Hi guys, and welcome back to Art Online. I just wanted to show you how to do your rubbings. Now you're going to need a few things when you go out to do this. You're obviously going to need your white paper, and then you can bring with you crayons, colored pencils, a pencil, and then I just happen to have some turmeric, some dirt, some paprika, and a little bit of charcoal to use to show you. Now once you have all your supplies ready to go, you then need to collect your items. Now you can do this directly outside. You can collect leaves, you can use flowers. Now the atrium in my complex is lacking flowers, but I did grab some leaves. I'm also going to use this as a replacement for pavement. My bamboo plant that my cats keep eating. And then I happen to have some sticks with bark on them, so I'm going to use these to show you how to do bark. Now another material that you can use other than the dirt and items like that is coffee grounds. Now I don't drink coffee, so I'm not able to show you with coffee grounds. And another thing that you can use is if you have a makeup palette that you don't use very often, you can use it as well, just like the dirt. And if you use very chalky materials and you happen to have hairspray, you can use it to set the material to the paper. Now seeing as I have no use for hairspray, I don't have this on hand, but if you do, just like spray paint, you spray it outside carefully onto your work, not too close, just so you can cover your rubbings to keep them on the page, otherwise they'll rub off. So what you're going to do is go around and collect your items. You can do this outside instead of bringing them inside. And what you do is you take your item, and you want to make sure that they are relatively dry before you put them on. You're going to put them under your paper. I'm going to use a pencil first. And using a well-sharpened pencil from the side, I'm going to carefully pass over. Now, as you can see, it's not giving me a very good texture per se, and that is because I have a very soft item, but it's kind of coming out. You want to be patient, you don't want it to move. And there we go, we have a slight rubbing. So let me see what other ones look like. This time we're going to try a colored pencil. Now this one's not necessarily flat, but that's okay. And you can kind of see that this one gave me the wonky shape up here. Let me show you with this one. Now you can see that the crayon works best, but this one also has more texture in it so that it'd be able to capture more. But a crayon has a wider surface area, so that's why it caught so much. Let's see if this one will catch anything. This one did pretty well. You can actually see where it had holes in it, where my cats were eating it. Now those were relatively flat objects, so let's go ahead and talk about bark. So with an object that is more round, you do need to be a little inventive with it. And I'm going to show you with the dirt. So what you would do is just like eyeshadow or charcoal, you would just sit there and rub it. Now it kind of rolled, so let me try it again. Now it kind of worked. You get a little bit of the rippling effect, but let me show you what a darker one would do. Now this is actually the kind of charcoal that you would use in a grill. I just put it through a cheese grater and it gave me this. So we're gonna wrap it. You do get a little bit more. Let me show you with the crayon. There we go. That's what we're looking for. You see that texture? Now the pavement. This is paprika. It's not showing. So you can see here where it's getting a pavement texture because it has these holes. You see? Okay guys, that's how you do the rubbings. Keep in mind I want you to have fun with this, collect as many as you can, and a variety as well. Hope you guys have a good day.